Don't hesitate or this will be gone. Phenomenal views of both the golf course and water are yours when you purchase this first-floor one-bedroom condo in Turtle Lake Colony. Low fees of $240 per month include everything except phone and electric. Clubhouse, pool, tennis, billiards, shuffleboard and bocce ball complete the amenities, and this location is only 2 miles to the beach and walking distance to all major shopping and restaurants. Sit on your enclosed lanai or pull up a chair and sit outside and watch the golfers or enjoy the views. A pass-through to the kitchen is featured in the dining area. The living area enjoys the views of the water and golf course. Neutral decor makes this ready to add your special touches.